Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by TabED, guys. So, 10x income system is an affiliate system, guys, that is fully automated because of TabED's traffic packages. Now, for those of you who don't know, who haven't watched my previous videos, guys, and have never heard of the 10x income system, TabED is actually a Google traffic expert, guys, and you'll be leveraging her traffic and her traffic packages, guys. So if we scroll down, we have the text income system, 297, XP 997. There's a giant price cut there, guys. There's no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, guys, to start earning with this system. No need to wait for results, guys. Let me scroll to the Facebook group so we can see what the members are actually talking about. Okay, so if we start here, right? We have a very active group here, guys. I actually haven't touched any of the traffic packages myself. And I recently asked, hey, can anyone in the group tell me what the average conversion rate is for TabED's traffic packages? Because I was thinking about purchasing, right? And I posted this about 2 hours ago. And I actually did talk about this in previous videos, guys, but assuming you haven't seen those videos, someone actually answered back. And this person, Lynn, who joined on September 1st, paid $200 for traffic, guys. Got 2 sales. And just so you know, every sale you get in this program is $297. So she paid $200 for traffic, and she got $297 twice, guys. She almost made $400 in profit right there. It did take her a while for those people to buy. As you can see, she joined on September 1st, paid 200, guys. On the 23rd, she got that money. So this does work, guys. That is proof right there. I do not know this lady. This is just a random member who's in the group who answered my question. So I hope that answers or clears up anything related to the traffic packages, guys. If you all had any more questions related to that, just let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to slowly scroll down here. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and read this. Yeah, guys, so this is a pretty busy group, guys. As you can see, like a lot of these comments are only like a few hours old, guys. There's people posting left and right about their results and their experience, guys. So this is a very live community, guys, with real people doing real things and getting real results. Okay, a lot of people. Now, if we scroll up, guys, let me show you something. I don't think there's even 1,000 people in this group. Yep, 997, guys. There's only 997 members in this group as of right now, and that's not a lot at all, guys. We don't have 1,000. We don't even have 1,000 members in this group because it's so new. I think the 10x income system is not even 2 weeks old, guys. So it's definitely something to hop on and take advantage of, guys. Because these offers over here will not last long, guys. Uh, so I definitely think for those of you who are thinking about it, considering it, take a look here. 365-day money back guarantee. No questions asked. So I hope this video was helpful to anyone who was watching today, guys. And as usual, take care. And I'll be posting more content in the future. Links are below in the description if this was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys. See you later.